do you feel the settlement has brought any positive sense to you? Obviously, closure is not the right word, but vindication or an ability to hold the company accountable?
I am just feeling a lot of emotions. It has definitely been a journey, but I think the biggest thing is that it just feels great to know that a jury heard me and that they believe me. I know closure isn't the right word, but I do feel somewhat of a sense of closure from it.
Last month, a federal judge ordered Uber to pay $8.5 million to a woman who was sexually assaulted by an Uber driver when she was 19. But the verdict matters for a much bigger reason than just one case, because Uber always argues the same thing in court. Our drivers are independent contractors, not employees. And if that's true, Uber says it's not responsible for what their drivers do. But a jury rejected that argument. They looked at how the app actually works. You open Uber, you see the Uber logo, you request a ride, and Uber selects the driver for you. From the passenger's perspective, you're relying on Uber, not some random independent contractor. And the jury said that relationship creates responsibility. But the detail that came out during trial is what should worry Uber the most. Evidence showed that Uber uses an internal algorithm called SRAD, which stands for Safety Risk Assessment Dispatch. This system scores every ride based on the likelihood of a serious safety incident. According to the trial, this passenger's ride was scored at a 0.81 out of 1, and Uber dispatched the driver anyway. The plaintiff's attorneys argued that Uber's own system flagged the ride as high risk, and the company sent the driver regardless. This case was also called a bellwether trial. It's the first test case out of more than 3,500 similar lawsuits filed against Uber in federal court. Uber is already appealing the verdict, but the next bellwether trial in this series starts soon, which means this fight over Uber's responsibility for driver safety is far from over.